Once Guy
Wait
arrives
for
in
and
town,
guys,
his eyes
subscribe.
catch the water fountain. No one used to come here to drink water because people hadn't kept it clean and there was a lot of overgrown grass and mud around it. This guy goes to the store to get supplies to clean it up and starts the cleaning process. He starts by cleaning the fountain wall properly and then starts cutting the overgrown grass nearby because no one had cleaned this place before, so it was pretty messed up. He puts all his effort into it and cleans everything properly. When he's doing all this work, people don't come to help him and nobody pays attention to him, but he keeps going with his work diligently. He cleans everything in a very good and beautiful way. After working hard for a while, he succeeds in his mission, and after cleaning, this water drinking spot starts shining like glass.